Who? Who is there? Who is there? Who broke this? Who broke this? Who stole the apple? Who stole the apple? Who are you? Who are you? Whom? Whom do you want to meet? Whom do you want to meet? Whom did you see? Whom did you see? What? What time is it? What time is it? What does it mean? What does it mean? What is your name? What is your name? What are you doing? What are you doing? Whose? Whose friend is he? Whose friend is he? Whose pencil is this? Whose pencil is this? Whose bike is this? Whose bike is this? Which? Which is your bag? Which is your bag? Which do you want? Which do you want? Which one is real? Which one is real? Which is better? Which is better? When? When did she leave? When did she leave? When did you buy it? When did you buy it? When will he go? When will he go? When can we eat? When can we eat? Why? Why is he crying? Why is he crying? Why do you ask? Why do you ask? Why don't you come in? Why don't you come in? Why do you lie? Why do you lie? Where? Where is your father? Where is your father? Where is my book? Where is my book? Where are you going? Where are you going? Where do you live? Where do you live? How? How is your dad? How is your dad? How did you make it? How did you make it? How was your day? How was your day? How are you? How are you? I finished the video here today. If you like the video, please like or comment. And if you can, share the video with your friends. If you want to learn English, you have to practice regularly and learn new sentences. Otherwise, it is not possible to speak English because the practice is the key to success. So, practice regularly. Stay well and keep learning English with me.